Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a small cap where Prakash's Amansa Holdings has bought 6,25,391 shares at Rs 325 via a bulk deal on August 13. Now the point to remember is that this stock is also a favorite of Vijay Kedia and he has been holding it in his portfolio for quite some time. Now friends, we also run a couple of very successful Telegram groups and channels where we discuss profitable stock opportunities. The performance on the investing group as well as the trading group have far exceeded and outperformed the markets, and on the trading group we have almost doubled our money. If you want to go ahead and join the Telegram groups, please go ahead and open a completely free Demat and trading account through the link provided in the pinned comment. You can also choose to do so by becoming a channel member by clicking on the join button on YouTube or becoming a patron on Patreon. The link for all of these are present in the description of the video. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Sudarshan Chemical Industries Limited, which is available at Rs 328.80 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is SUDARSHEM. Now Sudarshan Chemical Industries Limited is a holding company and is a color and effect pigment manufacturer. It operates through various segments which include pigments, agrochemicals and others. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company has been a consistent underperformer and a lot of wealth has been destroyed here. It trading below all its major moving averages suggests that it would have resistance on the way up. The market cap of the company is 2,276.19 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 14.50 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 22.68, which is much more expensive when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 15.41. The price to book ratio of 4.01 is also on the higher side. The company has a dividend yield of 1.82%, whereas the promoter holding is just about average at 52.89%. Also, none of the promoters holding is blessed. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.